Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make meringue topping for pie. First, carefully separate your egg whites from the yolks. Even a tiny bit of yolk can prevent your meringue from whipping properly. Make sure your mixing bowl and beaters are completely clean and grease-free. Using egg whites that are at room temperature will also help them achieve maximum volume when whipped. Once your egg whites are ready, begin whipping them on medium speed. As they start to get foamy, gradually add your granulated sugar, about 1 tablespoon at a time. This slow addition helps the sugar dissolve properly and creates a stable meringue. Keep whipping until the mixture is thick, glossy, and forms stiff peaks that hold their shape. Now it's time to add some flavor and stability. Gently fold in a small amount of vanilla extract for that classic taste. A tiny pinch of cream of tartar can also be added during whipping to help stabilize the egg whites, ensuring a firmer meringue. Once your pie filling is warm, carefully spread the meringue over the top, making sure it touches the crust all around. To achieve that beautiful golden brown finish, bake your pie in a preheated oven at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep a close eye on it. The meringue should turn a lovely golden color and feel firm to the touch. This usually takes around 10 to 15 minutes. Once baked, let the pie cool completely before slicing to prevent weeping and ensure a perfect set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.